Good day, everyone. I hope that you are in good condition wherever you are. So, by the way, my name is Art Manases Capadeso, 19 years of age, from Mutia, Zamboanga del Norte, taking up Bachelor of Arts in Theology, Level 2. So, by the way, I would like to greet our beautiful teacher in Fundamentals of Music Ministry, Ma'am Jean Subidka, because she allows us to share with you the role of the pastor in the music ministry. So, friends, let's talk about this kind of matter about the role of the pastor in the music ministry. So, let's remember that a pastor plays a significant role in the music ministry by providing spiritual leadership. Mm. Also, a pastor plays a significant role in the music ministry by providing guidance and support to the musicians and also to the whole congregation. So let's give an insights about this type of matter about the role of the pastor in the music ministry. So here are the key aspects, friends. Let's remember that there are aspects of the pastor's role in the music ministry. Also, let's remember that the pastors are spiritual leaders. They lead the church. So when we say they lead the church, they also lead the music ministry. So they are also worship planners and coordinators, meaning they collaborate. They collaborate to the members. They also collaborate to the musicians who are inspired or who are there in the church to share the gospel through the music ministry. And also, they care. The pastors are ready to care. Their role in the church is to care, meaning they must support the music ministry in order to prosper this kind of ministry, not just today, but also in the years to come, in order to give glory to God always. So let's remember that, friends. Now, also, the pastors are encouragers. So they are not discouragers, instead they are encouragers to uplift everyone's soul, to uplift everyone, so that everyone must apply this kind of matter. They improve their music ministry. And last, the role of the pastor are pastors are have or pastors have a vision. They must have a vision, meaning they must have a goal, not just today but in the days to come. So they have a long range goal in order to improve this kind of ministry. So these are the role of the pastor in the music ministry. I hope that you have gained a knowledge regarding on this matter. So once again, good day and may God bless us all.